Here we have the Unilateral Incline machine. So, a couple things that I would like to point out on this. How you load the weight, you're going to attach it back here. Very similar to how a pendulum is set up. If you load weight here, because of how it's set up, it's extremely heavy. One plate's gonna feel like two's gonna feel like 4. So don't make the mistake of coming in here and just throwing on weight without feeling it out first. Other things to highlight, you can adjust the arms. So if you have shorter arms or you want more depth, you can pull this out and drop it. If you're like me, who has a little less shoulder mobility, you can allow it to be a little bit more off your chest. How you adjust the seat is right here. You're just gonna pull this pin, you can slide it like that. So I'm going to set it. I wanna make sure that this is in line with my chest. You want your elbows flared out so your wrists and elbows are stacked properly on one another. And then you're just gonna press up, control it down. Press up, control it down. For me, I probably could have adjusted this a little deeper, so I'll pull this out, drop it, pull this arm out, drop it, then I'll get back in, fill it again, and again, just up, down, up, down. It's a very heavy piece of equipment, but it's one of my favorite chest pieces in here.